What's up, everyone? Today is March 15th and I am about to install Ice Cream Sandwich on my Samsung Galaxy S2 Skyrocket. Yeah, I said it, Skyrocket. Now UK just got this version today and it seems like it's working. I went to this website here, which is on CNET. All I basically typed in under Google was Ice Cream Sandwich Update on the S2. But there's the link in case anybody needs it. I'll put it at the description at the bottom. And it basically gives you the details of how to install Ice Cream Sandwich onto your S2, the real version that just came out to the UK today. So what we're going to do is we're going to download everything. We're starting with Odin, configuring it. Basically taking the risk of destroying my phone, but screw it, you know? What are you going to do? You got to take a risk. Without risk, there's no reward, right? And then I'm going to flash the Ice Cream Sandwich firmware and get back to you in the second video, which should be happening in the next, I would say, half an hour, once everything else downloads. Right now, I don't know if you can see that, we are at about 8 minutes left on the zip. We've already downloaded Odin. And it looks like Kies or Kais, however you pronounce this thing, just finished downloading. So just finished that up, and I'll update you guys in a couple minutes and let you know if this thing actually worked, or in fact did I destroy my beautiful Skyrocket. Later.